On November 2, 2024, Malik Miller fled a traffic stop in a blue Kia, evading multiple pit maneuvers and ramming an FHP vehicle during a high-speed chase through US 90 and Pensacola Street.
Right on bus stop. Let me get this intersection shut down.
A successful pit maneuver stopped the vehicle. Miller and 2 passengers were detained, and 75.5 grams of marijuana were found. Miller admitted to fleeing out of fear and was charged with aggravated fleeing and drug possession. The Infiniti SUV sped recklessly through the night, running red lights and weaving as if daring every limit. Could a terrifying secret lie behind this daring behavior? The pit maneuver sent the Infiniti spinning, crashing into the median. The panicked driver was handcuffed on the spot, claiming he just wanted to get home. Could this excuse save him? Spotting suspicious plates, police approached, but the suspect sped off. Recklessly weaving through crowded streets, he ran red lights and dodged all police tactics. After a tense pursuit, the vehicle was stopped. The suspect fled in desperation, but was subdued, facing charges of reckless driving and document violations. Police spotted a gray Toyota Avalon speeding and signaled it to stop. The driver refused, crashing into a sign and racing through a residential area, escalating the danger.
We'll be here on the northbound 88 right up to Central to Gray Toyota. Camry, I believe, and 10 tag on Chad 7. Central. Going towards P range on 72. I just ran a curb and crashed through a sign. We're going down towards Sugar Creek. I believe you may have just clicked another vehicle. Some trees, about 90, heavy traffic.
The tense chase ended when the car crashed into a warehouse. The suspect and passenger were arrested, with drugs and paraphernalia seized. Police secured the scene while awaiting an ambulance. The car sped dangerously, running red lights and racing through intersections. Police wasted no time pursuing fiercely and preparing for a bold PT maneuver to stop it. The suspect's car lost control, crashing into the curb. The driver fled, but K9 Bolt quickly subdued him. Drugs and weapons were found in the vehicle. The suspect was arrested and taken to jail. Police launched into a high-stakes chase with a black car. The suspect defied stop orders, speeding dangerously and recklessly pushing limits, throwing traffic into a perilous situation.
Can't read the rest. On the blue, it's going to be 580. St. Augustine, westbound, from Signal 12 Whiskey. Southbound Magnolia Drive.
Southbound Magnolia Drive. All units is radio on 10 degree traffic, reference to 81, 1031 of the blue Nissan southbound on Magnolia Drive at this time. 81, what are your charges?
I'm off speed. Signal 12.
The suspect abandoned the car and ran through a construction zone but was subdued by police. He claimed to flee due to an expired license and plates. Despite expressing remorse, he still faces serious charges. The Peckerwood gang suspect sped through a stop sign, reaching 70 miles per hour in a residential area. He narrowly missed crashing into a bridge, posing severe danger to everyone nearby. A precise pit maneuver sent the truck out of control, bringing it to a stop. Police subdued the suspect and found drugs and syringes in the vehicle. This time, prison might be his long-term destination. The chase began when a motorcycle sped off wildly after being spotted with fake plates. The reckless rider weaved through traffic, prompting police to launch an intense pursuit. The chase ended dramatically as the motorcycle veered off the road and broke down. The suspect fled across a field, but was caught with methamphetamine and an active warrant. The crash sparked legal controversy afterward.